From classrooms to research labs, computing needs are changing fast, and the pressure is on to keep up with AI. ASUS is stepping in with its latest innovation, the Ascent GX10, a powerful yet compact system designed to make high-performance computing more accessible. Joining me today to talk about it is Nate Snow from ASUS. Hi, Nate.
Hey, good morning.
Let's start with the motivation behind this launch. Why did ASUS create the Ascent GX10, and what gap were you trying to fill?
Sure. So ASUS has always made it a priority to be at the forefront of innovation, taking the latest technology and putting into interesting types of form factors and designs. And we do that through partnership. And NVIDIA has been one of our key partners for over 30 years, from the first graphics card to high-end AI servers that are being deployed today. And with this expansion of AI that we're seeing, there's been an explosion of AI developers. Over 4 million of them are out there in the market. And they face a number of barriers, though, for being able to develop new solutions. It's really expensive and hard to get access to that latest AI server hardware. And so what we've done is we've taken ASUS's expertise in building powerful small form factor PCs and combined that with NVIDIA's GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip to create the Ascent GX10. It's a supercomputer that you can fit in the palm of your hand. And what this is going to do is it's going to provide developers with an easy access, low-cost, private solution so that they can begin to turn their ideas and concepts into reality.
It almost sounds like we're introducing a new class of hardware here. What makes the Ascent GX10 so unique in this space?
Yeah, well, at the heart of the GX10 is NVIDIA's GB10 superchip. And it's built specifically to accelerate large AI workloads. ASUS has over a decade of experience creating these powerful small form factor devices. And so what we've done is we've paired that GB10 with 128 gigabytes of unified memory. And what that enables developers or students or researchers to do is to prototype and inference and deploy the latest models up to like 200 billion parameters. So it's really amazing to have all that performance in such a small form factor.
Nate, let's talk impact. How does the Ascent GX10 actually help organizations and institutions overcome the challenges they face with AI and advanced computing?
Sure, so it really does fill a critical gap in that development, research, and learning phase. Consumer PCs or single GPU workstations, they just don't have enough compute or memory to handle these modern reasoning models. And high-end multi-GPU workstations or servers are very prohibitive due to their size, as well as the cost of just accessing them, keeping them up and running. And the GX10 then serves this entry point to be a complete and robust development tool. And it's an entry point for this whole ecosystem of products based on NVIDIA's Grace Blackwell architecture. So it scales all the way from this entry point with the GX10 up through ASUS AI servers.
And finally, this is just the start. Where do you see GX10 going from here? And how do you think it will shape the way people approach computing in the future?
Yeah, I think we are really at an inflection point around AI. We're witnessing this huge change with the democratization, AI access everywhere. At ASUS, we talk about this as sort of being AI for everyone, this ubiquitous AI that's available across all devices and a variety of use cases. So I think what we're going to see with the GX10 is that over the next few years, universities, financial institutions, research labs, and software developers will have this local supercomputer on their desk to accelerate their experimentation and create all new types of AI applications. They'll be able to then not only develop on the GX10, but then we'll start to see commercial deployments of solutions on this device that's smaller than a shoebox. And then with those commercial deployments, we're going to see a whole next level of performance for edge use cases, things from like video analytics for public safety, virtual health assistants that you interact with real time, and even into the robotics space. So I think it's going to be a tremendous opportunity to accelerate this intelligent computing that's out at the edge and accessible for everyone.
It's clear the Ascent GX10 is just the beginning, and the future of AI computing will only get more exciting from here. Nate, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me today.
For anyone who wants to learn more about the ASUS Ascent GX10 and how it could fit into your work, scan the QR code on your screen. For MES Computing, I'm Sydney Neely.